I pour a little milk in and feed my horse some hay. I look out the window to see if there is soul. I eat my morgun matur and sit down in my stól. This is kind of awesome, no matter what you see. There's hver list and jöklar and vinir you can meet. So pack your töskur, Iceland has it all. Austur to vestur, just don't look for else. Don't even exist. This is the A to her of Iceland, so try to sing along. This is the A to her of Iceland. What could possibly go wrong? Á sundlaugar are cozy, afklæðast all the way, but don't forget sundskýla before you go and play. And you can rent a bílaleigubíl. Enjoy the drive on Hringvegurinn. Be mindful of malarveginn. And don't tap on the moss, it grows back so strong. Like 70 years. This is the A to her of Iceland, so try to sing along. This is the A to her of Iceland. What could possibly go wrong? Since the grip of Alda, the ship has been around. Women, gracious, every man's best friend. We cuddle them and klappa and then take all their roots. We wear them like the kappa and they've always kept us full. This is the A to her of Iceland, so try to sing along. This is the A to her of Iceland. What could possibly go wrong? This is the A to her of Ísland, so reynda syngja með. This is the A to her of Ísland. Now memorize this lag. You just sang the hardest karaoke song in the world. You speak Icelandic. You can even say plokkfiskur. You're almost an Icelander. Or almost. Seriously.